Continuing with the same chapter next week also until all your concepts are clear. Right? Okay, so let's do.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen now. Please turn on your videos, everyone. I don't need to tell this every day. You must talk. Yourself keep your videos on. Okay? And Ashwath, are you practicing?
Yes, ma'am, I am doing the homework bits.
And be careful while taking the signs and other things, okay? In every step, you have to be careful. While transposing, which was the page? So yesterday we had done these questions. This type fraction questions you were saying, no, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm not getting the process.
let's take a similar question of the fraction type. But today is 8. Okay, so let's take the question number 1. That is x by x plus 2 by 3 equals to 4. Okay, so we have this question. Now, our first step in this is to take one by one every numeral on the other side. Okay, one by one. So, first of all, we will take this numeral, right? Whatever is in the denominator, we will take that first. So, here we have just x plus 2. The numerator, we have just the numerator left here. We take the denominator on the other side. This becomes 4 into
Multiplication.
12, right? Yes, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And others also, please. So x will be equal to now 2 also again goes on the other side. This becomes 12 minus 2. So here your x is 10. Okay. So you can even check your answer by putting your value of x in place of this x. Okay. You can even check your answer. So that becomes 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. Okay.
Ma'am, one more question is we gave one fraction and beside that 1 by 5x plus we give another fraction. Those kind of questions also I get confused.
Okay. We'll do one by one. All type of questions we'll do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the question now. Now here, see, don't think that this 6 is some. Why did not I take 6 on the other side first? Why I'm not taking 6 on the other side first? Because this part of the question, the left hand side has two parts. One is the numerator part and other one is the denominator part. Right? Are you understanding? So I am taking the denominator part first. I cannot take 6 from here first. Okay? Why I cannot take? Because there is a variable here. So I cannot take. I have to keep the variable on one side. Okay, I have to find the value of the variable. And that's why I'm taking this denominator on the other side first. So the numerator will remain here. 3 when it goes on the other side, this becomes 2 into 3, 6. Okay, and this, now this numerator is not now a numerator. Now this is a general term, x minus 6. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
now it is not in a fraction form. Okay, now it's just like this, that x minus 6. So I'm taking now minus 6 on the other side. This becomes 6 plus 6, which is equal to 4.
answer 12.
Yes.
Okay,
And these small questions are
Okay.
easy, but like little complicated ones.
Yes, ma'am.
We did
Big
yesterday.
questions, complicated, like
ah, okay. So let's take now x plus 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2 equals to x minus 2 by 2. Okay, now look here. In this question, what we will do, there are two ways of doing this. One way is that I can take this 1 by 2 fraction on the other side. Okay, no. I have this also. I have these two as variable terms. Okay, in my these two terms, I have a variable. I have x here also. I have x here also. So my first step will be to take or keep all the x terms together. Okay, right? So when I keep all the x terms together, so this term will be here, and then this right hand side term, when it comes this side, this will be x minus 2 by 4. Okay. Now, this 1 by 2, when it goes on the other side, this will become minus 1 by 2. Right? I have now taken both the x terms together on one side. Okay.
Ma'am, so now the like 1/2 became like a rational number.
Listen, now I these both the variable terms are now in a fraction form. Now, so my next step will be to take the LCM of 2 and 4 and 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6?
24.
LCM? Tell me.
24.
24.
24. 24 or 12? Take the LCM. 2 3s are 2 2s are.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
Ma'am, 12.
LCM is 4 into 3, that's 12. Okay, so
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
12. Now 6 into 2 is 12. So I'll multiply this numerator with 2 here. Minus sign now. Now 4 into 3 is 12. So I'll multiply this numerator with 3. You understood this step?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, like what you did for the numerator?
I have just taken the LCM. How we normally subtract the fractions, no? That thing I have done. I took the LCM first and then I multiplied 6 2s is 12. So I multiplied the numerator with 2. Okay. As we normally
Ma'am,
do.
like how it became like 2x plus 7?
This is x plus 7 in the numerator, no? How do we do this? How do we solve this? We take the LCM and then 6 2s is 12. So 2 into 1, like this, 2 into 1, this one, minus 4 3
Yes.
is 12. So that's 3 into 1, no? So here the numerator is 1. Here the numerator is 1. So in this case, the numerator was x plus 7. In this case, the numerator was x minus 2.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I will open these brackets. 2 multiplied by
2x
x will become
plus
2x.
14.
This will become 14. Now this is minus. Minus 3 into x will become minus 3x.
X
Minus into minus will become plus.
plus
This is 3 into 2 is 6. In the denominator, I have 12 here. And on the right hand side, I have minus 1 by 2. You get it?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Adrit, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Reyansh, Gelda, Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, I must awake everyone. No one should
Yes,
sleep.
ma'am.
Chakrika, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Why the videos are off, beta? Charvik, Chadwick, wake up. Okay. So this time is not to sleep. Wake up, ask more and more questions. Okay, please pay attention.
Ma'am, I'm confusing in these like negative terms. Like,
This one, beta.
ma'am, that minus 1/2 there, like I was confusing.
This 1/2 on the right hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
We haven't done anything to minus 1/2 yet. We are just taking it as it is.
Okay.
Okay, we have not done anything to this. We have just shifted its place from plus 1/2 to this side. So it became minus 1/2. And now we are just taking it alongside. Okay,
Okay.
we are just working on the left hand side now. So now I have two x terms here, 2x minus 3x. Okay, so 2x minus 3x will be minus x, 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 will be 20.
20.
Okay, now it's 12 here. And this side it is minus 1/2 as it is. Right? Okay, now I have these two fraction terms here. So now my next
Ma'am, like you did like you did minus 3x, like what you did for minus x.
see here 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x is minus x. How did I get this? 2 minus 3 and x is common here.
Yes.
2 minus 3 is minus 1 and x. So it's minus 6. Okay?
Okay.
So minus x plus 20. And now I cross multiply this. When I cross multiply this, what will I get? 2 multiplied by minus x plus 20. And on the other side, I have minus 1 into 12. Is it? Yes?
Ma'am, like how did you did because minus 1/2 was there now.
So minus 1/2, what happened?
Ma'am, you cross
Like
multiply.
why minus 1 came? Like minus 2 can be come now.
Why minus 1 came? See, minus 1/2 I'm taking from here. This is minus 1/2. When it changed its position, it became minus 1/2, no?
Ma'am, it will not carry to the whole or only one.
It will not carry to the,
Whole part 1/2 or only it will come to 1.
see, this is 1/2. I'm not
Ma'am is
getting,
saying that like is the whole fraction negative or only one is negative?
it's the whole fraction, 1/2, minus 1/2 equals to. Okay. What is the
Okay,
confusion,
ma'am.
Ashwin? We have just taken 1/2 fraction on the other side. Okay. And now here we cross multiplied it. So 2 multiplied
Okay.
with the numerator and minus 1 multiplied with 12. Okay, now when I open the bracket, I will multiply 2 with the inside part of this bracket. So this becomes minus 2x and this becomes plus 2 into 20 is 14 and this is minus of 12. You understood this much part? Yes? Okay, so now my next step is taking 40 on the other side. Okay, minus 12 and minus 40. So this becomes minus of 52, right? And now I want to find my value of x. So this minus 2 is multiplying with x. On this side, it will divide. Minus and minus sign will cancel. So when I cancel 2 with 52, this will be 2, 2, and this is 26. Okay, so your value of x is 26. Right?
Yes, sir.
You understood this, children?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
child who has not understood, please ask.
Ma'am, you give another example, we'll try.
Okay. So you want to solve the another example yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So I'm taking others also, please. Anyone if has a doubt, if you have a doubt, please ask children.
Yes.
I'm asking everyone. Adrit, Advika, Ashwat,
Yes, ma'am.
Chakrika, ask your doubts. Chadvik, Reyansh, Rishit, Soumya, please ask your doubts. Ask more and more doubts. Whatever comes to your mind, please ask.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, take this question. Do this question now. This question is for you. Oh, just a second. 1 minute. Okay, note down the question. Done, children?
No.
Okay, Soumya, you tell me what will be the first step here. Soumya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what will be the first step in this.
Ma'am, we have to rearrange the terms.
Say loudly.
Ma'am, we have to rearrange the terms.
You have to rearrange the terms. Okay, how will you rearrange? How will you rearrange? Tell me. Yes, that's correct that you're saying you have to rearrange the terms. So how will you rearrange? What will be your first step in arranging the terms? See, Soumya. See, whatever is coming to your mind. Okay.
I'm not quite sure.
Huh? Tell me, what will you do? Yes, Soumya, tell me what will be your first step?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, see, what will be your first step, Soumya?
I can hear you, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, see, I'm listening. बोलो बेटा ज्यादा से ज्यादा गलत हो जाएगा उसमें nothing happens. I'll correct you.
Ma'am, like
So,
I got confused, but still I did it. So
yes, let Soumya tell. Soumya, hurry up. Advika, you tell me. Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is your first step here?
Ma'am,
Yes, see.
we do.
Say loudly. I see we have been doing so many questions like this. Your first step is to take the X terms together. Is it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you thinking, Advika? Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be your first step here?
To collect the X.
So your first step is to take the X terms together. So this is my X term, and on the right hand side also I have another X term.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So far no one did this question.
Ma'am, you kept x plus 1 by 4 minus x by 2 is equals to 3.
I have taken all the X terms on one side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anyone who has done this question? I gave you time to do.
Ma'am, like I did till like taking the all the x values at there like a stop.
Okay, that means still here only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see we have taken this was one X term and this is another X term, right? So
Yes.
I have taken both the X terms on the left hand side, right? Okay, so now I take the LCM of this. What will be the LCM here? 4.
4.
4.
Okay. So since 4 1 is 4, so I have nothing to multiply with the numerator. Now 2 2s is 4, so 2 in
2x.
and this side I have just
3.
so now I take this 4. Now this is in the fraction form. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. I take 4 on the other
Ma'am,
side.
I got confused.
What happened?
Ma'am, like you didn't did cross multiplication here.
Let me first simplify it to a normal fraction. Now these are two fractions. I have to make it to one fraction first. No,
Like how you got x plus 1 minus 2x?
x plus 1. I am taking the LCM. I am solving this part. How do you do the LCM of two fractions?